Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use EBT card on DoorDash. So this is going to be a very easy one, so if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So for you to use the EBT card on DoorDash is you'll have to go to payment methods. Now to do that, you need to open up the DoorDash application. From then on, tap the icon located in the top left corner of the screen. Now there, tap on payment methods for Android and payment for iOS. Now in there, you should be able to see the EBT card on the payment methods. From then on, you just need to follow the on-screen steps and basically fill any information that is needed for that. And from then on, you should be able to save your details, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.